might want to get me a piece of cardboard to lay on and jack up the back of the rat wire, or I might not. Let me lay down here on the ground and see what it feels like. There's my wiring and stuff here, and there's this wire. This is going to be easy to get. I think I might jack up the back here. That will allow me to get under there without having to get a crick in my shoulder and neck and everything. And I'll just jack it up, put a couple of blocks under the wheels. By the way, I talked to Tyler a little bit this morning. Right now I'm planning to go see him on Monday. I talked to Luke. I'm planning on going to see him on Tuesday. Tomorrow is Saturday, and I got a guy coming up to see about that lawnmower that my neighbor gave me a while back. The Briggs & Stratton with the aluminum body. This guy that's coming to look at it lives down in Massachusetts, but he's got a 65 Ford wagon. Nice car, apparently. I don't think he's going to drive it up, but he might. I'd be surprised if he did, but it'd be cool if he did. Yeah. I don't know if this will jack high enough to get them blocks under or not. Let's find out. Might need my big jack to get up that high. We'll see in a minute. It's gonna be a piece of cake here. How high is she gonna go? Okay, so I kind of need something to put under that, or I need to use the other jack. I could put that piece of wood over there under it. Let's try that. That'll work. That'll work. All right, first wire is going to be the ground wire. Now, where am I going to attach the ground wire? Oh, yeah, where indeed. Indeed. Let me get a piece of cardboard to lay down. Alrighty then. Let's see. I think I'm going to want a hot wire on the back here to help me find my ground. Phew. Let's go under here and take y'all with me. I'll find a nice place to have the ground. Probably have already. Yeah, I already have one right here. I'll see this. So that's where I have my ground running from the lights that are already back here. Now, the way to test that is I'm going to hook this end of this test light to this red wire, which, as you recall, is hooked to the battery. I'm going to touch it right here. And if you're seeing what I think you're seeing, you should be seeing this light light up when I touch this. So that's where I'm going to attach my ground wire. So that's going to be pretty easy. I might put a little attachment thing like I got right here for that. Let me go look in the box of goodies. Now what I'm going to do, instead of crimping my ground, I'm going to try to see if I can solder it to this. So I only need it to come to about here. So let me stick this nut back up in here for the moment. And I'm going to get my solder and iron. I like it. Hey buddy, how you doing? Well, I was going along pretty good there, and my neighbor came up, and I ain't seen him since, you know, we left. So we talked till I got cold and tired, and then I went in and ate, and now I'm feeling lazy. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna go at this. I got this piece sorted up so I can put the ground on there. What I might do is finish wiring the car and then come back and wire the trailer tomorrow. We gotta go see a chiropractor here in a little while. I mentioned sometime along the way that I hurt my ribs, and I'll see if he can straighten me out anyway. And Honey Babe, she goes see the chiropractor every so often anyway. I do too if I feel like I need it. And since my rib been bothering me, I kind of feel like I need it. I got a good one too. It's hard to get a good chiropractor. I had one that just wasted my money for a long time, and somebody put me on this good one. And ever since then, I've been pretty happy to go to him because he does such a good job. He don't charge me much. Nice guy. All right, so that should take care of the ground. I suppose I could test it by yeah. That works. Here's my. Well, I guess I could test it by doing this right here. I can touch it to that. Y'all can see that that's doing the job right there. All right, so I guess the next thing to do is this running light. I mentioned earlier that I had this wire over here. It wouldn't take much to hook that up. Pull it out, and I think I'll cut off the camera while I relocate myself, and we'll work on that. Alrighty, I pulled that wire in from the outside there, and this is the wire that it goes to here. So I got some of these little, I think it was a YouTuber maybe that sent me these little shrink wrap thingies, and I'm gonna slide one of these up onto this, and then I'm gonna solder that wire. I'm gonna pull that down and shrink it back onto there. Something like this right here. We should about do the trick on that one. So these two are turn signals. The left turn signal is the yellow wire, and the right turn signal is the green wire. So I ought to be able to pull them pretty easily, especially since I wired these lights down here. Let me get my head under there and see what I can see about where those are at. Oh, the joy. I might just decide I might just decide to knock off, come back at this tomorrow. You know, I'm that way. I'm old enough to quit when I feel tired. My neighbor was just talking about this. He's 82. He was talking about he was cutting some wood this morning. He said when his mind tells him to get up and go do something, he'll get up and go do something. When his mind tells him to quit, he'll quit. And I'm kind of that same way. So I'm gonna have to untangle some wires from under there. I don't even feel like I've lost my. I was doing pretty good till he came by, and then after I stopped, I'm having a hard time getting started again. So I'm just gonna unplug my little solder and iron, and I'll roll my battery back inside, and we'll just drop the door down, and this will all be here in the morning when I get ready to come back to it. Oh, the joy! Yes, Bob. I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all in the morning. Love y'all. Say hi to your mom and them. Bye.